Welcome back to my channel. This is Navy from Oliva's Nursery Botanica. The sun is our daily reminder that we too can rise up from the darkness. You are so close to what you always wanted. Just relax, absorb the sun rays, and take a step at a time. When you visualize it, and you start to feel the emotions that you would feel as if you already have it, that's when you start to build the life that you've always wanted. I would take walks in the city and I would tune out the honking, the noise, the pollution, and I would reprogram myself to the feelings that I would feel once I was already at my achieved level of happiness. And I started to feel happy. I started to feel as if I was already there. I started replacing the images of the things I didn't want to see with those that I wanted to see. And I have positioned myself and my family in the location in which I always dreamed of in a very short amount of time. Photos just like this were once in my vision board. This looks like this came directly from a postcard, but it didn't. These are all things I can touch today. We have never felt so much happiness. We have never breathed in so much fresh air. I want to thank those above that have brought all these blessings down below. And don't be shocked when life starts to get good. You deserve it. And it is a blessing to have an outdoor office surrounded by nature. I removed myself from the concrete jungle. And this all just seems like a movie set. And you know what? It should. It should be a movie set. The movie set of your life, in which you are the main character, you are the director, you write the script, and you walk at your pace. And many will just say, hey, I'll wait for January. I'll wait for the new year. You know what? I'll do it right now. I don't know if tomorrow's here. The only moment in time and space that is available to you is the right now. When you're present in this moment and you're constantly creating, then you will always multiply all the great things that you want to see, feel in your life, in your existence. Nothing else matters but the right now. Every season is a good season. I wish you all a great evening as I sit here in my speckle of paradise. Thank you for watching.